stop scrolling because this could be your career changing opportunity. Imagine working on cutting edge AI and data science projects at Myntra, India's largest fashion e-commerce platform, and earning rupees 80,000 per month. Also, get a chance to win a direct placement offer even before you graduate. Sounds exciting, right? Well, you heard that right. Myntra RampUp 2025 Data Science Internship Edition is here, and in this video, I am going to share you everything you need to know about this internship, the eligibility criteria, required skills, how the assessment goes on, interview tips, stipend details, and even I will tell you some secret strategies that can literally double your chance of getting shortlisted. So stay with me till the end of this video, because even if you skip 1 second of this video, you might miss an important information about this opportunity. And before we dive in, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to BTech and share this video with your friends, and let's dive in. First, let's talk about Myntra itself. Myntra is the India's largest fashion and lifestyle e-commerce store, offering the latest brands and trends. But behind all that fashion, there's a powerful tech and data science team. This team builds the recommendation systems, computer vision models, forecasting algorithms, and generative AI tools, and also even trend prediction systems. So when you join Myntra as a data science intern, you are not just doing theory work, you are solving real world problems that impact millions of users every single day. And now let's get into the juicy details. Firstly, the internship duration is in between January 2026 and June 2026. It means it will be for 6 months. And the location is Bangalore, and it is completely in office and full time. And the stipend will be, you will get rupees 80,000 per month. That's nearly rupees 5 lakh in 6 months. And there will be only 5 working days. And the additional opportunity is top performers will get a pre-placement offer even before you graduate. Now think about it, while other internships may offer rupees 15,000 to rupees 30,000, Myntra is giving you rupees 80,000 plus a PPO chance. So that's not just an internship, that's a career launchpad. Now the big question comes, who can apply for it? Student graduating in 2026, it means if you are in final year, then you are eligible for this. Eligible branches are CSE, IT, AML, data science, and any related field. And the degrees eligible are BTech, MTech, MS, DL degrees, and PGDBA also eligible. And let me tell you the skills required for this. Firstly, you should be proficient in Python or any other programming language, and you should have strong knowledge on ML algorithms like regression, clustering, neural networks, and decision trees, etc. And you should know basics of statistics, and you should be familiar with TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. And you should have strong database knowledge and strong problem solving skills plus communication skills. Alright, let's break down the entire Myntra RampUp 2025 hiring process step by step. Firstly, the stage 1 is registration. It opens on 29 September 2025 and the deadline is 8th October 2025. So make sure your profile and resume are strong. And the stage 2 is online assessment round. It will be held on October 11th 2025, and the format will be, there will be 30 MCQs in 45 minutes, and the topics covered are DSA, problem solving, and core CS concept. And let me tell you some tips to it. Firstly, practice MCQs on algorithms, complexity, and probability, and Python basics. Then comes the stage 3 functional interview. If you get shortlisted in the stage 2, then you are eligible for this, and all the shortlisted candidates will face technical plus problem solving interviews. Their focus will be on real world applications in recommendation systems, vision, pricing, and GenAI. And you can expect questions like, how would you design a recommendation engine at Myntra? And also, they can ask, how would you predict fashion trends using ML? And they can also ask, debugging a faulty ML pipeline. And the best part is, the top performers can directly land a PPO. Now you must be wondering, how do I prepare? Let me tell you the clear roadmap to crack this internship. Firstly, you should focus on DSA and problem solving. Practice on platforms like LeetCode and HackerRank. And second thing is, focus on ML basics like revise on regression, decision trees, SVM, and neural networks. And the third thing is, you should focus on stats and probability. This is important for MCQ questions. And the fourth thing is, you should know Python libraries. And the fifth thing is, read about recommendation systems and computer vision in fashion. And last thing is, mock interviews. Practice explaining ML concept by taking mock interviews. So there you have it, the complete roadmap for Myntra RampUp Data Science Internship 2025. If you are aiming for high-paying internship, real-world ML projects, and a chance to get a PPO even before you graduate, then this is your opportunity. Register before 8th October 2025 and prepare well for the assessment on 11th October. Crack the interview and fashion your future with Myntra. And if you are new to here, go through homepage of our channel. You will see gold mine of opportunities. I will share you the latest internships, hackathons, and job roles for every BTech students across India. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to Beyond BTech. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. And see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning and keep going. This is Sai signing off.